In this video, I'm going to show you how to buy crypto on Webull Desktop. So the first thing you want to do, you want to open up your Webull Desktop, and of course you want to sign into your account up here by clicking click to log in. Now once you've done this, you want to go ahead and open one of these layouts. Of course you'll probably have a default layout which is going to look something like this, and you can use this one as well, but if you want something a bit more simple, you can go to custom over here, use the normal one over here, or just create a blank layout and put in all the widgets that you need. So for me, usually this is going to be just the chart over here. You can then customize the size off, as well as you can go to trade, and then you can open up the classic trade, which looks like this. So usually I'll just do that, but then of course add in some different orders, different account info and positions and stuff like that. But this is completely up to you. This is not what this video is about. Now, once you do this and once you have your trading option over here, first you must find what you actually want to trade. So for example, I'm going to go over here. You want to click on the name of the symbol, and you want to look for the cryptocurrency or token or coin you would like to buy and trade, of course. So I'm going to go ahead, of course, go with the classic, type in BTC to see the Bitcoin. There we go. As you can see, BTC USD, here's the Bitcoin, and over here you can see the chart and everything going on with Bitcoin at the current moment. Up here, then you of course have to go to trade, and you want to change it to that exact same thing as well. So it's going to be this one over here, and then once you are on the exact same panel, you can just go ahead and buy and sell over here. So go to buy, select the order, so either limit, market, or stop limit over here, whichever you want. Select the quantity over here, and then the limit price if you want, or if you go market, of course just the quantity, and then time in force can be whatever you want, but for me it's going to be day over here. Then of course I'm not logged into my account right now for this tutorial, so I can't actually buy this, but of course when you are logged in, you'll be able to simply buy and then sell your crypto as well. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.